Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Rose. I'm going to go over our math assessment. So if you guys are taking the math assessment today, you can go ahead and go click on the Google Forms link and it's going to take you to the Google Forms. And I'm going to read the questions. While I'm reading the questions, you guys can write down your answers. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys. And we have, here is our Google form. So, it is called Describing and Comparing Measured Attributes, Unit Assessment. So the first thing you need to do is, what is your name? So type in your first and your last name into the box. Alrighty, now here we are with the first question. It says, number 1, how much taller is Woody than Mr. Potato Head? If we look at the picture, we see Woody, and he is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cubers tall. Then if we look over here, Mr. Potato Head is 1, 2, 3, 4 cubers tall. So we want to know how much taller Woody is than Mr. Potato Head. 1 cube taller, 3 cubes taller, or 5 cubes taller. Please pick your best answer. Now we're going to go to number 2. Number 2, which container holds more milk? The little carton here or the carton here? So option 1, is it the carton with the red and white, or is it the carton that is white with a red lid? Pick your best answer. Number 3 says, how many popsicle sticks would you need to build a square? Would you need 4 popsicle sticks, like in this picture? Would you need 3 popsicle sticks, like in this picture? Or would you need 6 popsicle sticks, like in this picture? Pick the one with how many popsicle sticks you would need to build a square. Alrighty, number 4. True or false? All squares have 4 equal sides. Is that true? Yes. All squares have 4 equal sides? Or is that false? No, all squares do not have 4 equal sides. Pick your best answer. Number 5. True or false? All squares are the same size. True. Yes, all the squares are the same size, or false? All squares are not the same size. Pick your best answer. Alrighty, number 6 says, true or false? All of the cylinders are the same size. So right here we have a Pringles can that is in the shape of a cylinder. We have a log of wood that is in the shape of a cylinder, and we have a purple block that is in the shape of a cylinder. True, all these cylinders are the same size, or false, they are not the same size? Pick your best answer. Alrighty, number 7 says true or false? All the cylinders have 2 circle faces and 1 curved surface. Is that true? All of them have 2 circle faces and 1 curved surface? Or false? They all do not have 2 circle faces and 1 curved surface. Your best answer. Number 8. Which 3D shape is built with 1 vertex and 1 circle face? So we're going to think about it. We're going to look at all these shapes. Which shape has 1 vertex and 1 circle face? Sphere, this blue picture. Cylinder, the pink picture. Cone, the green picture. Or cube, the purple picture. Remember, boys and girls, we're looking for 1 vertex and 1 circle face. Pick your best answer. Number 9. Says, which picture shows 2 small triangle tangrams used to make 1 large triangle? Is it option 1, this picture, or larger triangle? Pick your best answer. Number 10 says, which shape can be made from two gray squares? So you see right here we have two gray squares. There's one and there's two. Which shape can we make with those two gray squares? Option 1, this shape, or option 2, this shape? Pick your best answer. Alrighty, you guys, make sure you remember to click submit at the bottom so we can see your answers. Thank you for showing what you know. Have a good Friday.